Hello, and welcome back to the abode of unity. So, I wanted to come on here and tell you that you are beautiful. and that's it. Alright, we'll see you guys. I'm kidding. So you may have noticed that I haven't posted in like a week and a half, something like that. Let me preface it. Is that a word? It's not a word. You probably know what I'm saying. Let me preface before what I'm about to say with, I did this challenge, this Heyooo series, Universe Within You. It was a 365-day challenge. That was my long-term goal. My short-term goal was 30 days. Play the clip. I think I will. I'm gonna start with 30 days, actually. I'm gonna start with 30 days of video every day for 30 days. I completed those 30 days. As of now, I've made a video every single day for 30 days. But now it's been like a week since I've made an Heyooo video. I've taken a complete break and stopped making videos. So if I were to do 365 days now, I would have to start from scratch. And we'll see how that goes, or, you know, we'll see where that goes. My whole life, I really like to go with the flow, go with the energy. So if I feel like making a video, I make a video. If I don't feel like making a video, I don't make a video. I give myself time to rest. If you follow me on Instagram, whatever, wherever, you know, I may post like 5 days in a row, and then I'll take a break and not post for a week. And that's just how I do things. I go with the flow. Feel it out, baby. Like the 30 days was a challenge, and that's why it's called a challenge, because I challenge myself every day. So some of the days I didn't feel like making a video, but I did anyways. That's part of the challenge, baby. I'm gonna aim to be I'm going to aim to be very, very consistent. So this channel update, the big channel announcement, celebration. We're almost at 500 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. If you didn't know, my analytics say 60% of the viewers aren't subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, smash it. Is that what other YouTubers do? Smash it. Flash slice and Hinokami that bitch. Yes, so hit that subscribe button. But anyways, the channel update. With everything that I said, I will always be with you in your heart. I'm always gonna release a video, and it may be a week from now, maybe 2 weeks. I may go 2 weeks without making a video or uploading a video, but don't worry. No matter where I'm at, what I'm doing, I'm always working on projects. Even right now, I'm working on really, really big video projects. It's gonna be great. Wherever you're at in life, I can promise that I'm working on a video. I might release it later. So don't get frantic. Don't worry. If I go a week or two without uploading, you know, I'm not going anywhere. So unless I say that I'm leaving YouTube for a month or for however long, then you can expect a video. Think of it as like your favorite anime, your favorite manga, your favorite movie, to the prequel, to the sequel, your favorite show. You know, they don't come out every single day. A movie takes a long time, years. It can take years for the sequel to come out. So I want quality over quantity, but unfortunately YouTube algorithm likes to promote quantity, and that's why I've tried to do that 30-day challenge. Now I'm really gonna focus on quality, and I'm gonna aim to be consistent no matter what the flow or the vibe's doing. I'm gonna aim to release 1 to 2 videos a week. If I can't release a video a week, then I'm just not doing my best. I'm gonna aim for at least 1 to 2 videos a week, so you can expect that. Like I said, your favorite anime, your favorite manga, the next chapter comes out next week, baby, so expect greatness. And there might be some weeks where I'm like on fire, and I'm like 3, 4, 5 videos in a week, 6 videos in a week. That's why I wanted to tell you, beautiful people of this earth, if you're an alien, if you're a human, it doesn't matter. I love you because I love myself. If you're going through hard times, know that I'm somewhere going through hard times as well, but I'm pushing through it, making a video, working out. As always, much love, peace, and abundance to you, baby. Feel the energy. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe. I'm saying smash the like button. Smash and hit that button, and I'll go, and I'll see you soon. Being like an anime character, because I am anime and I encapsulate all of anime in reality, and that is my actually ultimate mission, is to become a real life anime character.